Unleashing the silicon metal revolution, a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs. Attention, entrepreneurs. If you are on the hunt for the next big thing in the tech world, look no further. The spotlight isn't on a new software or mobile app, it's shining brightly on silicon metal. This indispensable component is at the heart of the semiconductor industry, fueling everything from our daily use smartphones to the forefront of AI technology. Today, we are diving into why venturing into the silicon metal business could be your ticket to success, with NPCS by your side every step of the way. The silicon metal advantage. The semiconductor giant. Imagine the brain of every electronic device, that's the semiconductor. These critical components rely on ultra-pure silicon, and as the demand for semiconductors skyrockets, so does the need for silicon metal. A market awaiting supply. There's a notable global shortfall in silicon metal production, presenting an immense opportunity for new players to bridge this gap. Beyond electronics, while semiconductors are a significant market, silicon metal's utility spans aluminum alloys, solar panels, and advanced chemical manufacturing, offering varied avenues for business diversification. Why entrepreneurs should dive in? Innovation awaits. The silicon metal sector has long been monopolized by established entities, creating a prime scenario for disruption and innovation by nimble startups and entrepreneurs. Tech at the core. This industry offers a playground for those passionate about technology, allowing for involvement in everything from AI to autonomous vehicles through improved production techniques or sustainable practices. Eco-friendly potential. With the rise of solar energy, silicon metal plays a crucial role. Embarking on this business venture allows for an alignment with environmental sustainability. The lucrative prospects of silicon metal. Embarking on a silicon metal business, especially within the semiconductor domain, promises substantial benefits. The relentless demand for semiconductors, powering a myriad of electronic devices, ensures a stable market. Silicon metal, being pivotal for semiconductor manufacturing, means that suppliers of this raw material are invaluable. Moreover, the push for innovation and sustainability within this industry opens doors for businesses capable of offering high-quality and ethically sourced silicon metal. With strategic planning and execution, starting a silicon metal business could not only be financially rewarding but also position you as a contributor to technological advancements. Market insights, a global and Indian perspective. The demand for silicon metal globally, particularly for the semiconductor industry, is on an upward trajectory, expected to reach approximately $20.6 billion by 2030. This surge is driven by the escalating need for electronics and solar energy solutions, both heavily reliant on silicon. India stands at a vantage point, ready to capitalize on this growing demand, backed by government initiatives for domestic semiconductor production and a flourishing electronics sector. This scenario presents a promising opportunity for both local and international silicon metal market participants. Financial snapshot, investment and returns. Project costs, estimated at $8.12 million. Machinery investment, approximately $2.5 million. Break-even analysis, predicted at 60%. Return on investment, a promising 28%. Conclusion. We urge startups and entrepreneurs to explore the silicon metal business as a strategic and rewarding venture within the burgeoning semiconductor industry. With an optimistic outlook on the pivotal role of silicon metal in advancing technology and sustainability, the time to act is now.